All right, how's it going out there? Hope you're well. Today we're going to make this incredibly beautiful rice. It really is simple and it's super tasty. Chickpea fried rice with some beautiful Indian spices, nothing to it, healthy, vegetarian and vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so we've got 3 cups of rice there. That's a cold cooked rice, hot rice, warm rice. I don't think fries very well, so that was made yesterday, stuck in the fridge. 2 cups of chickpeas. These are from a can. If you're going to use from a can like me, give them a nice little rinse through. 1 cup of onion, 1 cup of grated carrot, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and then a teaspoon each of cumin, turmeric, and chili powder. A couple of other bits, but that's basically it. Let's get moving. So you're going to need a wok or a frying pan or something that can contain all of this. In there I've got 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a corn oil today. You can use any oil that you want. A couple of teaspoons of the cumin seeds go in. I've just put the heat on. The heat's on high. We're going to go pretty high all the way. And just for a few seconds, let these cumin seeds do their thing there. And they'll infuse that oil and give it a great little flavour. You could be popping in some green cardamom pods now, cinnamon stick, star anise, fennel seeds, anything. You know, you can kind of get it in and boost it along with other flavours, but I like just the cumin seeds. Next up, 1 cup of onion, 1 cup of grated carrot, salt, black pepper, keep it moving for about 3 minutes. Wonderful. Next up, we're going to drop in that tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, which is a 50-50 mix of the 2. We're going to add our cooked chickpeas, and we're going to add turmeric, chili powder, and cumin. If you wanted, you could just be using a curry powder that you have. That would also work. Not quite as nice, I don't think. Okay, again, keep it moving for another 3 minutes. Incredible stuff. Really simple and delicious. Next up, we're going to go with the rice. Like I say, cold cooked rice, I always find just works so much better. We're going to go for 4 minutes or 5 minutes maybe, stirring this around. If you wanted, some fresh chili could go in there now. But we're nearly done. Beautiful. So I hope you guys can hear that. That there's your rice frying. If I've got any little bits of browning or blackening on there, that really adds to the flavour. Okay, off goes the heat. Little bit of cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. And then a bit of a squeeze of a lemon. Half a lemon, the juice of that. 1 more little mix. That's ready for the table. Well done, everyone. You've got yourself a lovely, lovely lunch here. And there you go. That really is lovely. Nice, quick, easy, beautiful, tasty, vegetarian, healthy and vegan. What more do you want? Blimey. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.